think our service line, as much as any, is very passion-based, and I have a tendency to be demanding, I have a tendency to be hard, but I also tend to attract people that crave that. And I think over the years we've been able to isolate, recruit, and retain and train and inspire and motivate those people that deep down aspire to being part of something bigger than themselves. And my purpose is to, keep people on notice. My purpose is to push, to rebel, to raise the bar, to try to continue to make sure that we're not complacent. And I am not happy if I'm not in that role. I'm most stressed when people don't receive me for that role. But at the end of the day, I'm extremely clear and extremely passionate that we are doing a great job, and we will always be able to do a better job. And we will always push. When you come to get your care at this facility on behalf of our spine center, we're going to encourage you to have better hygiene, better nutrition, better exercise and fitness. All of these things are going to optimize your experience. And there are so many elements of your care that will start long before you arrive at the hospital. And the hospital is going to give you instructions and descriptions and handouts that help guide you through that process. But at the end of the day, we are going to directly encourage you and teach you how to improve your own performance in your own journey.